How to authenticate Chromecast. To authenticate, set up your Chromecast. Follow the simple steps. Step number 1, plug in your Chromecast. Connect your Chromecast to your TV using the HDMI port and plug the power cable into the Chromecast and connect it to a power source. Then turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where the Chromecast is connected. Step number 2, install the Google Home app. On your phone or tablet, download the app or open the Google Home app. Step number 3, connect to Chromecast. Open the Google Home app, then tap the plus or add button in the top left, then tap set up device, then new device, and then select your home and tap next. The app will search for your Chromecast. Step number 4, enter the authentication code. A code will appear on your TV and your phone. If the codes match, tap yes in the Google Home app. If the codes do not match, restart the Chromecast and try again. Step number 5, connect to Wi-Fi. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Tap connect and wait for the Chromecast to finish setup. Step number 6 and the last step, finish setup so your Chromecast may update it automatically, and once finished you will see the ready to cast screen on your TV. So now your Chromecast is authenticated and ready to use. So this is how to authenticate Chromecasts. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.